I don't think they ever used anchors. They're so used to tying up. Okay, I'm gonna get this guy here.
Oh, but it just snapped off. No, there's only one.
Keep it from working?
Jerry's.
You guys,
He's the guy that's
my
yeah.
husband Stacy was trying to figure that out.
Oh, okay.
Hold on, his wife.
Nice to meet you. I'm Rob.
I think what I need to do.
Yeah. On the right side. You might not have seen it. You can surprise him. See how big a ring is?
Yeah, but coming this way.
They can hijack you, man. Oh, pirate. Pirate. Yeah. How's that?
Like how it's
See how she leans? Look.
Yeah.
See, now I have to slow down.
That's
See?
still quite a lot to lean.
Oh, yeah. It can kill over. I had another ship that killed over right over here by the damn rock. The battery.
That, a few of that were in there, how they sink really deep into the water because they have such a high thing.